Hello everyone, myself Suprit. I'm studying in SPCE Bangalore. Today I'm gonna explain about real-time gesture recognition using microcontrollers. The contents of this presentation are: what are microcontrollers, real-time gesture recognition using microcontroller, role of microcontroller in gesture recognition, advantages and disadvantages of gesture recognition, applications of gesture recognition, and conclusion. Welcome to the presentation on real-time gesture recognition using microcontrollers. Gesture recognition can be seen as a way for computers to understand human body language. This building a richer bridge between machines and human than primitive text user interfaces or even GUIs, which still limit the majority of input to keyboard and mouse. Gesture recognition enables humans to interface with a machine and interact naturally without any mechanical devices. Using the concept of gesture recognition, it is possible to point a finger at a computer screen so that the cursor will move accordingly. Gesture recognition can be conducted with techniques from computer visions and image processing. What are microcontrollers? Microcontrollers are small integrated circuits that contain a microprocessor core, memory, and input-output peripherals on a single chip. They are designed to execute specific tasks and control various electronic devices and systems. Microcontrollers are widely used in a range of applications from simple embedded systems to complex electronic devices. Real-time operations of microcontrollers are: many microcontrollers have features that allow them to perform real-time tasks, responding to events and executing time-sensitive operations with predictable timing. Microcontrollers are used in a wide range of applications including gesture recognition, home automation, robotics, industrial automation, automotive systems, medical devices, consumer electronics, IoT devices, and more. They provide a cost-effective and compact solutions for controlling and managing electronic systems with specific requirements. Real-time gesture recognition refers to the process of detecting and interpreting human gestures in real time. It involves using computer vision techniques and machine learning algorithms to analyze video inputs from cameras or depth sensors and recognize specific and or body movements. Here are the general steps involved in real-time gesture recognition. Data acquisition. The first step is to acquire the input data, which can be obtained from cameras, depth sensors, or even wearable devices like gloves or motion capture suits. And the next second step is pre-processing. The acquired data may require pre-processing to enhance its quality and reduce noise. This step often involves techniques like image filtering, background subtraction, or depth normalization. And the third step is feature extraction. Feature needs to be extracted from the pre-processing data to represent the gestures effectively. These features can include hand positions, joint angles, or motion trajectories. And the final and last step is real-time processing. The classified gestures are then processed in real time to trigger specific actions or responses. This can involve controlling user interfaces, virtual avatars, robots, or any other interactive systems based on the recognized gesture. Role of microcontrollers in gesture recognition. Microcontrollers play a crucial role in gesture recognition systems by providing the necessary hardware and processing capabilities to implement real-time gesture recognition algorithms. Microcontrollers are essential in enabling the implementation of real-time gesture recognition systems. They handle data acquisition, processing algorithm execution, system management, and system integration, ensuring efficient and responsive gesture recognition. And the next topic is methodology of gesture recognition. It includes hardware components, and the hardware components includes flex sensor. A flex sensor is also known as power sensor. It is an adaptable sensor that adjustments in opposition which fundamentally relies upon the measure of curve on the sensor. Increment in the curve likewise will expand the abstraction experience at the point when the sensor is kept straight with no curves. It has a consistent shape of 10k ohms, also encounters least 2 times more than the consistent abstraction at 1800 pinch curve. The flex sensor for the most part incorporates carbon resistive components inside a slim adaptable substrate where more carbon implies least operations. And you can see the flex sensor figure, the below figure. Benefits of gesture recognition. The human interface can be provided using gesture recognition. Gesture recognition replaces the mouse and keyboard, and even it replaces the pointer gestures. Gesture recognition navigate in a virtual environment. Gesture recognition picks up them and manipulate virtual objects. There will be no physical contact with computers in gesture recognition. Gesture recognition communicates at a distance. Now we have some basic applications of gesture recognition. Gesture recognition has a wide range applications such as the following: enabling very young children to interact with computers, medically monitoring patients' emotional states or stress levels, navigating or manipulating in virtual environments, communicating in video conferences. It also can be used in public display screens like the information display screens in supermarkets, post offices, banks that allows control without having to touch the devices. It also used in robots, like controlling robots without any physical contact between the human and computer. Finally, the conclusion of real-time gesture recognition is the importance of gesture recognition lies in building efficient human-machine interactions. Its applications range from sign language recognition through medical rehabilitation to virtual reality. Gesture recognition as 35 soft computing tools pose another promising application to static and gesture identification. Thus, gesture recognition promises wide-ranging application in fields from photojournalism through medical technologies to biometrics. Thank you.